Cheetah PCC wasn't designed to follow the market. It was created to lead it. Cheetah PCC is a multi-layer fused polyurethane engineered with a ceramic protective top layer, not coated, fused. That difference? It's why this film performs where others fail. Cheetah PCC's 8mm thickness protects against rock chips, scratches, and weather while easily installing around curves, bends, and edges. Hydrophobic by design, water-resistant, dirt-resistant, built to look cleaner, longer. And it's self-healing. A little heat and the film restores itself. That's not a feature, that's engineering discipline. Robust protection with pliable flexibility matched with 63 rich, vibrant colors give you the ultimate color change system. The highest gloss shine in the market, the blackest black, satin and matte finishes that stop traffic. Cheetah PCC elevates your customers' rides and makes your shop stand apart. Dry apply. No heat required on initial application, saving up to 20% on install time. More cars per day, more profit per bay, less installer fatigue. We stand behind it. 10-year warranty on vertical surfaces, 6+ years on horizontal surfaces in direct sunlight. Cheetah PCC is built for all seasons. From summer heat to winter ice, it's engineered for the long haul. Developed over 5 years. Every layer, every adhesive characteristic, every tolerance. We scouted the competition and we surpassed them at a significantly lower cost. Higher performance, faster installs, better margins. That's not hyperbole, that's science. Cheetah PCC isn't just another wrap film. It's a color change protection system engineered for shops that lead and enthusiasts who want to stand out. Cheetah PCC, engineered for ultimate flair and protection.